Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Ride and Review. Today, here we are at the outskirts of the Hyderabad, and now we are heading to our hometown, which is nearly far, about 165 to 170 kilometers from here. Uh, this is Saga. He's with me. He's riding, and actually, he's been sitting on the behind as a pillion. It's nearly about 7 o'clock in the morning, and you can see it's really foggy right here, and the sunrise still hasn't been arrived. We are very close to Tupran, and guys, after crossing the Manoharabad, you'll get this diversion as before the Tupran toll gate, and maybe I think it's a major diversion because it has been diverted the road since nearly about 2.5 years. Actually, some kind of big project work has been going on. See, you can have a look at the pillars of the besides. Man, this road is so bumpy, you can't even cruise. The pace will be reduced by this diversion. And moreover, in this morning, me and my friend Saga, we both have been cruising at a limited speed of 90 to 100 km per hour, as we don't even want to stress our engines, as because it's a cold morning. We just want to have a good and chill and safe ride. So that's why we have been cruising at a limited speed for now. Yesterday I have got this one installed, the long visor for the Interceptor. Actually there was a short one also, but the short one looks more good on the Continental GT. The long one looks good for the Interceptor, so that's why I have installed this long one. After installing this one, the bike is getting a good feel, like I'm riding some kind of weight bike, and giving me a good view also. As you can see, the visor is looking so good after the installation. Before the installation, I used to feel like this one is been hitting by the air as a naked bike, but after installing this visor, it's really worth it, guys. And this is the first toll gate you'll get from Hyderabad when you started to Nizamabad. This will be the first one. See, have a look at here. There it is written that Manoharabad Toll Plaza. I don't know when we're gonna get rid of these toll gates in India. Again, traffic stuck here. Don't know what the reason is, but there's a huge lot of traffic gathering right here. Okay, and that's the reason why the traffic is got stuck here a lot. There's a very huge industrial equipment is been going in front of us. look at that, man, the GLS, which is finished in matte black. See, have a look at it. Looks nice in the matte black. And this is the equipment, because of which there is a lot of traffic jam behind that. You can see is a heavy industrial equipment. Actually, these kind of equipments are only allowed in the midnights for the transport, but I don't know what the reason is, but this equipment is getting transported in the morning timing. Time to say bye bye to the shitty one. We have taken diversion to the Kamaredina. In a way, there is a railway crossing. Train isn't visible, but I can hear it. Hey, it's here. Look at that one. There it goes. And guys, we have taken a diversion in our way to enter into the Kamareddy. It's a district, Kamareddy district, which we get in between our journey. And guys, we have done with our breakfast in Kamareddy. This is a place where we have done the breakfast. Chalo, let's roll, guys. We are getting late. And after completing our breakfast, we are back again to hit the roads. The roadside.
Meat. Yeah, boy.
And from here, Sagar is going to be apart. From here, he is gonna get diverted to left side. And the Sagar has left to his home in another village, and now we have been heading to our homes, which is in the Nizamabad district itself. It may take more up to 30 minutes for us to get reached to Nizamabad. The weather is very pleasant enough. You can see the sky is really clear. The sun is also a little bit chill. Not much hot, not much cold. It's mild, like moderately maintaining the temperature and the climate also. It feels so good to ride in this type of climates. And this one is the last toll gate, guys, which you get in the way. This one is in Dalwar Toll Plaza. And after this toll gate, we have to reach the Dichpalli Mandal, and then we have to leave the highway and we have to enter the district route. इधर पे जाओ, धाबा hotels. You can easily find nearly about 10 to 15 hotels within a stretch of 20 kilometers. from this point we have to leave the highway and we have to take left. Again construction. We need to go in the opposite direction.